The last important pattern of inference that we're going to spend some time on is analogous to the following one in predicate logic. All A's are B's. So anything that's in the A circle A is in the circle B's. All B's are C's. So anything that's a B is in the circle C. Therefore, all A's are C's. Now, if you're looking at it, you might call this a chained inference. It's kind of creating a chain from 1 to 2, chains 1 and 2 together and gets you 3, so to speak. And here we're going to see it's something called hypothetical syllogism. Mentioned why when we're talking about conditionals, if-thens. So if P, then Q. So all times P is true, Q is true. If Q, then R. So that means all times when Q is true, R is also true. So we need a bigger circle around R. Therefore, if P, then R. Looks like a good inference, is a good inference. Makes sense. Let's just chain together if-thens conditionals. Okay, so we saw the inference if P then Q, if Q then R. We're getting the bigger circles. Therefore, if P then R. But let's look at an example to help us understand this particular inference. If Rover is a dog, then Rover is a mammal. If Rover is a mammal, then Rover is warm-blooded. Therefore, if Rover is a dog, then Rover is warm-blooded.